Form Title video. In this video, we'll talk about how to adjust interactive field margins within the Word add-in itself. So I'll show you what I mean, and I'm going to give you an example right away. So here's our Word document that's loading. It's just a contract from within the Word add-in itself. And we're going to show you how to dynamically move these fields to adjust the styling if you need to do it. For example, let's just take this signature date/time field here. And then what we'll do, within the form itself, I'll click on the field, and under style, I've got something called interactive margin. And notice if I set the value here, let's just say 50 and then 50 left. So let's save and then preview this document again and see what changes it's made. It's not going to make any changes here, but it will make changes to the field, the interactive field within the document itself. Let's just wait for it to load and let's see what happens. So look, you can now see that the field has moved from its original position. So that's how you move it. And for example, you might have formatting issues where you need to move the field at a certain place, but you can't really move it within the form itself, and you will need to move it using the interactive margin. So that's how that's done. And again, you can really play with this as well. So you can go into the style, interactive margin. So right now this is going 50 top and 50 left, but if you set this value to negative, it will do the opposite. So let's leave this as it is, and we'll do another preview so we can see the difference together. Let's submit this. Just wait for this to load. So remember, this was our original value that we set, and now this is our other value. So now it's done the opposite. So that's what the negative value will do. It will move it to the opposite of what it already is. So this one here, and this one to the right, and our minus will move it to the left. So, so minus the negative value will do the opposite of what's specified here. So 50 here will move it to the 50 top, but negative 50 will move it to 50 down negative. So that's the so you don't have to worry about the bottom or the right. You just use a negative value to do the opposite of what's specified here. So for example, if we say, okay, move 100 top, now that's going to go 100 top. But if you want to move down, you just put negative minus 100. And that's how you manipulate the fields within your document. If they're not aligning correctly, you can just click on the interactive field itself, and then this is located style and then interactive margin, and then go ahead and amend the margin there. So right now for me this is fine, I don't need to do that, so I'm just going to get rid of my interactive margin. But that's how it's done. That's how you move the fields within the document. If you want to align them correctly and they're not aligning, you will not be able to do it here. You can just do it directly in the interactive margin. Click on the field, click on interactive margin, and then go ahead and change it there. Thank you for watching this video.